Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to our viewers on OneSpotMedia.com and those on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. We begin with the news that many Jamaicans were left on edge this morning as two earthquakes shook sections of the island just an hour apart. The first tremor hit 10:50 a.m. According to the earthquake unit at the University of the West Indies, Mona, the quake had a preliminary magnitude of 5.6. It was located approximately 152 kilometers north of Ocho Rios, St. Anne. The focal depth was 14.6 kilometers and was reportedly felt across several parishes. But before residents could catch their breath, another quake struck at 11:50 a.m., this time more forceful. Professor of Sedimentary Geology at the Earthquake Unit, Simon Mitchell, said it was a 6.8 magnitude earthquake with a focal depth of 23.5 kilometers.
Both of these earthquakes are close together and they were situated just south of Cuba on what we call the Oriente Fault Zone. That fault zone does not come through Jamaica. That's the parallel fault zone to the one that we sit on. So that fault zone goes south of Cuba and then it goes into northern Hispaniola and then off north of Puerto Rico.
Despite the back-to-back tremors, Professor Mitchell says it's unlikely Jamaica would experience sufficient shaking that could cause significant damage.
While we're feeling the earthquake, we are unlikely to get sufficient shaking to cause significant damage. Bearing in mind the second one was 6.8, nearly a 7. We felt it as gentle shock, which lasted quite a long period of time. And the fact it lasted quite a long period of time suggests it's quite a long way away. But it's not really a danger to Jamaica. And also, because it's on a different fault zone, it's not going to necessarily make our fault zone move. They don't work like that.